it's Emma here from the Southeast branch of the library, and today I'm back with another crochet craft. Today we're going to be working on this red, white and blue kind of 4th of July garland. So my idea is you could maybe use it for your 4th of July picnic around a table or to decorate your mantelpiece, that kind of thing. It shouldn't take very long at all. You just need 3 balls of yarn, a crochet hook and a pair of scissors. So let's dive in. So to begin this project, we'll need 3 balls of yarn, a crochet hook in the corresponding size to the yarn. So again, just a reminder, when you buy your yarn, you'll see a little symbol like this on the packaging, and it will tell you which size of hook. So then you're going to find that this says 5.5 millimeters, and the hook I have right here also says 5.5 millimeters right there. So you'll also need a pair of scissors, and that's all we need. So let's get started. So to make our slip knot, we're going to start with a circle, just like that, and we'll pull through the tail end part of the yarn to make this loop, and then we'll insert our hook right here into the slip knot. So that's how we get started. And we're going to do a foundation chain of 40. Now if you remember from last time, a foundation chain is just doing this yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. So we're going to do this for 40. So that's 10. And that's 20. So I'm going to go ahead and finish 40 and I'll meet you back. So now we got to 40 stitches, and that's really all the crochet involved in this project. So we're going to snip the end and just finish off by yarn over and pull through all the way to make a little knot. And then we're going to trim that. And we're going to trim the other end. And that gives us our little bow. I'll show you how we make it something like this. So you'll do exactly the same. And this is, I've just followed exactly the same instructions for the white and the red. And I'll show you how to make the bows and to link them together, but you can actually do as many as you like and make your garland as long as you would like. So to make the bows, you're going to go like this, and I would have the front be this way, but I'll show you how we tie them together. So I'm going to take a length of blue yarn, and I'm going to thread through just like this so that we can secure the bow. So we'll go this way, and then I'm going to thread through and tie it on the other side. It's quite tricky to show you. Like this, and that will just stop it from falling apart. And once you're done, I would probably do a little double knot and then trim the ends. So that's our first bow. like this. You can kind of like curl these parts. So then in order to attach our next bow, we're going to just thread through the end like this, and then use exactly the same method to make the next bow. So go around in a circle and under like this. And then again, I'm going to use a length of red yarn this time to secure the bow. So I'm just going to tuck up into that side and see if we can secure it. And then I'm going to turn it over and just tie in the back. And again, I'm going to finish with a double knot and trim the ends. So that's how you make your bows and tie them together so that they link. And you're going to just keep doing the same thing until you end up with a long garland. And I'll show you the one that I already made earlier. So it looks just like this. Now another option you have is to use Mod Podge or glue if you want to make these stiffer so that they stay in more of a bow shape. That is a really good option. You would just get a paintbrush and paint on the Mod Podge or the glue and leave it to dry, and then when they're dry they hold their shape really well. So I hope you enjoyed this really short video, and we'll see you next time.